Hello, my name is Cheyenne Lofthouse Wolf. I like to go by Cheyenne. I live in a small town in the Bay Area in California. It's great weather out right now. It's like 75 degrees, so I thought might as well enjoy it while I can. So just a little bit about me. I currently work in a group home. I actually am the group home manager. We serve populations between 12 to 17. We recently went to a co-ed facility, and we serve probation and foster youth. So this is definitely my passion. I am actually a trauma survivor myself, and I'm adopted, so this is a group of people that I really relate to, and it's really good to have those relationships with the kids and to really help work on their issues. We see it all. I get gang-affiliated youth, CSEC, which is commercially exploited kids, kids who were sexual abusers. We work with them all. And I am really excited to start the Masters of Social Work program. I am nervous, though, for it to be online. I'm not very techy, but I have a lot of patience, so hopefully that will get me through. I'm hoping to connect with other people in the Bay Area as well. That was exciting for me, and I'm just really excited to start learning kind of more and expanding my experiences and my education. I'm just really excited to get started. So nice meeting you guys. Thanks. Talk to you soon.